Showering is important. However, sometimes, especially in the mornings, one just does not find the time to take a shower and refresh oneself with water and some shower thoughts under the shower head. Don't worry, though. You do not have to necessarily walk in shower to clean yourself. There are ways that will help you do that and involve the use of as little water as possible, sometimes none. In this video, we have accumulated for your ways through which you can clean yourself when you are in a hurry and cannot find the time for a steam shower in the morning. Sure, these hacks do not replace showering altogether, but they are very useful alternatives that will make not going through that frameless shower door an acceptable thing. Keep watching, to know what you can do to make up for not opening the shower faucet in the morning. 1. Baby wipes. Baby wipes are a great way to clean yourself if you are in a hurry in the morning. They are used on babies for a good reason. You can pick some natural baby wipes or cloth baby wipes. You can also pick between cheap baby wipes and expensive ones, however, we recommend that you use good quality baby wipes so as not to have any problems with your skin. Make sure, therefore, to keep a baby wipes case close by for every time that you find yourself unable to take a full hot and steamy shower. You will clean yourself nicely and be presentable throughout the day. 2. Baby powder. This is another product made for babies that will do wonder for you if you find yourself unable to take a shower. Among all baby powder users, we bet you never imagined that it could be used by adults to keep themselves clean and fresh. Keep in mind, however, that not being able to take a shower is not the only time when you can use baby powder. It is great even if you do find the time to take a shower. We would recommend using Johnson's baby powder, but there are multiple baby powder brands out there that will give great results. Just make sure that you buy good quality baby powder. It is great for keeping the hair fresh and the scalp free from any grease buildup. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Another great hack to use when you find yourself deprived of the time needed to take a hot steamy shower involves using apple cider vinegar. This is great for people who tend to wake up with greasy skin in the morning. Therefore, you should not worry if you did not stand below that shower head and have those much coveted shower thoughts. To use this hack, make sure to cleanse your face and after it dries apply apple cider vinegar to the skin to purify it and have it refreshed. It will also help you fight bacteria and balance your pH levels. Make sure to add this hack to the previous ones, baby powder and baby wipes. 4. Witch hazel. Witch hazel will do wonders for your skin. If you want a nice skin treatment that will keep your cheeks, chin, and forehead looking great, you cannot go wrong with witch hazel. To make this skincare product useful for your skin, make sure to pour some of it into a small pad of cotton and use the pad to wipe the areas that you want to be treated. It would be more effective if you followed this skin treatment daily. It will do wonders for your skin and will allow you to look glowing even if you do not take that morning shower. 5. Tea tree oil. Sometimes we want to just get rid of the smell of feet, but we are too swamped with work and various other responsibilities. However, you should not worry, because there is actually a great solution that will help you greatly. It is called tea tree oil, and you should definitely consider using it. Tea tree oil uses are many, but one such use involves filling a container with it and dipping your feet in the oil for a period of 3 minutes until the smell disappears from your feet. If you spray some of it in the shoes, it will prevent any smell from actually developing. These are great tea tree oil benefits, so make sure that you take advantage of them. 6. Essential oils. The last hack on this list involves using essential oils. The best essential oils out there can make wonders for you, especially if you find yourself missing a shower or two. There are pure essential oils and calming essential oils, whatever it is, it will do wonders for you. You can use essential oils for hair, such as lavender essential oils. Moreover, you can dilute some essential oils with water and apply them to the skin in order to have radiant skin, once that has a great fragrance going for it. Just make sure to select the essential oils that best fit your mood at the moment of use. So yeah, these have been the hacks that you can follow if you find yourself without enough time to take a nice steamy shower. Make sure, therefore, that you keep them in mind and that you use them whenever you find it necessary to do so. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We post videos daily. If you want more, make sure to check these videos.